welcome to another tutorial. My name's Damien from Deals in Apps. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to register a Google account so you can use our free templates to create your feature images. Now you'll see here I'm using Firefox. I have two windows open. I've got our website dealsinapps.com.au and I've got a sample email account which I've set up, bens@dealsin.com.au. This will be your email program, whether you use Outlook or Apple Mail or even webmail like I'm using here. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is navigate to this page, which is the templates page. You'll find that under sellers right down the bottom, or it might be somewhere different. In fact, this page might look different by the time you're looking at it, but that's okay. There should be a link there somewhere. So the first thing to do is click on the button. Let's go. Okay, so we've been taken to the Google Drive website. So the actual thing that we're wanting to do here is register for Google Drive. So let's just scroll down. You can read about what it is. It's all about storing all your files in the cloud, any number of files. You can share your stuff, you can see your stuff anywhere. It's free, so this is why we chose it, and it's very good. So let's give it a go. So let's click on this button here. Okay, so here's where we start the registration process. Once you're here, if you have a Google account already, all you need to do is type in your details, click the sign in, and you'll be taken straight to Google Drive, and you'll see all your files plus the new templates that we've just shared to you. If you don't have a Google account, click down here on the Create an Account button, and all we need to do now is fill in this form. So let's go. So my fake name is Ben Grill. Now for the email, Google can provide you with a brand new email, a bengrill@gmail.com, or if you prefer you can use your current email. So we'll do that. Now my email is bens@dealsin.com.au. We create a password, making sure it's at least 8 characters. Oops, what happened then? We can put our date of birth in. I am male. Phone number. Let's see if we can skip that. Let's prove that we're not a robot. So we type in the number that we see here, 22064. We are in Australia and we agree to their privacy terms. Next step. So we do need to put the phone number in. So let's okay, so it's verifying that the number we put in is correct. So I'm now checking my mobile. And you might have just heard the text message I just received. So there's the code I'm looking at in my text message. Let's just type that in. And that all should be good. Verify your email address. Okay, a verification message has been sent to this email, so you'll remember that I had my email already open. Let's just do a refresh. There it is, pops up. Let's just double click on that, and all we need to do is click on this link here. And it looks as though we are done. Now we can add a photo, we can do that later. Let's just go to the next step. Welcome Ben. Okay, we're done. Let's get started. Okay, so there's our personal info page. What we need to do is find where Google Drive is. If we click on these apps, you'll see all the different Google tools that are now available for you. Let's go straight to the Drive. Now you can set up Google Drive for your computer, which is what I've done. It's really handy, but it's not necessary for this tutorial, so you go ahead and look into that in your own time. We'll just click no thanks for now. And this is my Google Drive. This has all my files. So far there's nothing there because it's brand new. There's just a little how to get started with Drive. Okay, once you get to this point, you need to go back to the Deals in Apps website. So let's just go back here, right to the very start. And try clicking on the link once more. See what happens this time. Alright, so it's noticed that we have a Google Drive account, and here is the files within the folder. There's probably going to be a lot more files in here. This is all that we had available during this video. So once we get to this point, you would need to click on the Add to Drive button. So let's click on that. And that's all you need to do. So just to check this, we can go to the Open in Drive. It's now changed to Open in Drive. So it's got My Drive and it's got the folder here with the template. So let's take a look. Let's open it up. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice when you go into these templates are that you can't make any changes. It's because they're locked off. So I can type over this, I can't move anything, I can't resize anything, I can't get rid of this logo. So what we need to do is we need to save a copy. So let's go to the File menu and look for Make a Copy. So let's click on Make a Copy. We can retitle this Ben's Deals in Apps Template number 1 and click OK. So this has now made a copy and saved it to our Google Drive, and now we have our fully editable template. So we can click on this logo and press delete and get rid of that. Click on this picture, press delete and get rid of that. And everything's editable. Now if we go back to our Google Drive folder, you'll see that this has been created, Ben's DIA template number 1. And that's this file here. So this is the template that we shared to you. It's fully locked off, you can't change this. So we've made a copy, and we can change everything in this file. We can change colors, you can change text, you can move things around. It's fully editable. You could even delete the entire lot and start from scratch, but that's not the point of a template. please go through the template tutorial to learn how to use these templates. The reason you need to make a copy of the original template and make yours fully editable to work with is because if you ever need to go back and grab the original and start from scratch again, you'll have that back at the Google Drive. Just go back into the Deals in Apps template folder and just click on it again. That'll reopen it and just start the whole process once more. Make a copy. You can call this Ben's 2, and then you can just start the whole process over again, and here it all loads up. Now we'll go back to the Drive window, and you'll see now that it's created another one. So you can keep copies and copies of these templates as you work through your deals, and always keep a copy of them. I hope you do load up Google Drive and Google Docs to use our templates. There's a bunch of other things you can do with Google Docs. Presentations, spreadsheets, forms, drawing and documents. So it's all there for you now. You've loaded it up. So there you have it. That's all you need to know about Google Docs and creating your Google account.